To get started with opening your aux, you'll need to first unclip and remove the plastic clips holding the box together. Included in the box, you'll find the charging brick, the power cable, a wheel nut wrench, a removable rear mudguard, a spare locking lever safety strap, a 4 and 5mm Allen key, your user manual, and the high suspension adapter kit. To install the handlebars, first remove the 4 hex bolts at the top of the steering column with the 4mm Allen key. Align the center lines in the bar with the center of the bracket, ensuring the brake levers are facing towards you and the throttle is on your left and the bell is on your right. Attach the front bracket piece and tighten the 4 hex bolts firmly. This can be adjusted later to a more comfortable riding position. To unlock the scooter from the folded position, while the scooter is on a solid, flat surface, press firmly down on the rear footplate and lift the handlebars upwards. Tighten or loosen the adjustment dial to make sure the locking lever presses firmly in place. Always connect the redundant safety strap before riding. Press the cable guide into place. The brake levers can be adjusted to a more comfortable position with the included 5mm Allen key. Press and hold the middle power button on the throttle for 2 seconds to turn on the display. Use the decrease and increase buttons to change the speed settings. Holding the increase button for 2 seconds turns on or off the front and rear lights. Hold both the increase and decrease buttons for 2 seconds to access the settings menu. Press the middle power button to cycle through the 5 menus, and the increase or decrease button to adjust any settings. Hold the power button to return to the main menu. Hold it again to power off the scooter. To install the rear mudguard, use the 5mm Allen key to remove the hex bolt. Replace the bolt with the mudguard in place and tighten down. To tighten the brakes, use the included Allen keys to loosen the cable and then move the brake arm further along the cable and tighten. Keep the scooter tires inflated to between 40 and 50 psi for a comfortable ride and to avoid flat tires. While charging your scooter, the charger light will be red. Remove the charger from the scooter when the light is green, meaning it is fully charged. Do not leave the scooter charging overnight. The scooter employs a safe start mechanism, and the throttle will not engage unless you're already in motion. So give it a push and you're good to go.